On this episode of Shawnee G88's Computer Repair, I show you the CamDuck 007 smoke alarm camera. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you the CamDuck hidden camera that looks like a smoke alarm. So this is the product itself. This is your SD card reader. This is my own SD card. This is mounting hardware. This is a USB to USB-A cable, and if you look, it's purple. I've never seen something like that that's purple. That's pretty cool. And this is mounting hardware. So if I take this apart, as you can see, you can move like this. If I go like that, this is the mount that goes onto your ceiling. This is what the back of the camera looks like. So there's three ways you could use this. Battery alone. If I open this up, that's what the battery looks like. And there's a tab in there, so I gotta pull the tab out before I even try to run this. AC, or if I pull this out, if I pull this up, USB-C and the SD card. Now with this, I do recommend that either actually not either. I do recommend if you're going to hook it up, wire it up. You have a licensed electrician do it. Don't do it yourself. I'm saying that for safety reasons. Please don't do that. So, here's what I got to do to get this to work. Pull the back off. See this tab? There we go. And as you can see, it's powered on. There we go. So it's powered on. So I'm going to put an SD card in there. Just like this. Put the back on, just like that. Close that. So now what I can do is, let me grab my phone real quick and we'll go to the app. Click on CamDuck. So I gotta go to my Wi-Fi here. Let me go to which network I have. Alright, let me join the better network. Alright, so I'm there. So what you do is you go to CamDuck, push start. As you can see, it joined the main network. My phone joined the main network, so I got to go to Bluetooth. Turn that baby on. Back. Go to CamDuck. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the network. And as you can see, this is what this one looks like. Alright, so I'm going to connect it to Wi-Fi. CamDog66.
Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect to the Wi-Fi
Okay, so
and then click to return to the app.
this is the one I want to select, so CamDog,
and then click to return to the app.
and I enter the word.
To the Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera, and then click to return to the app. Please connect
Click
to the
join.
Wi-Fi signal starting with CamDog issued by the camera.
And now I click to return to the app. And there we go. And now it's connecting the camera. All right, we are now connecting to the network. Unfortunately, for some reason, when adding certain things to my network does not like to accept it, so I have to do it a few times for it to accept it. And it is not this, it's my network. So I'm going to have this here, and you should see me. You're looking at my stuff right now through this camera. That's my fingers. That's my closet door. So there we go. And it is Tuesday where I'm at, and it is the 16th. So that's right. And as you can see, it's really, really good. I like this. I like this a lot. And it's disguised as a smoke alarm. Even has the mount like one too. And I'm running at 1080p. And if you look up here, this is the battery life for this. Really cool. Here is a better view of the PTZ function. Watch this. If I go here, just like before, you get these arrows. And you get plus and negative. Now to be clear, I'm going to show you what happens. So I'm going to zoom in. And show you what happens. If I push plus, that's zoom in. If I push minus, that's zoom out. If I push left, the camera turns to the left. And there you have it, as you saw there. So, let me disconnect this. There we go. You saw that, right? I'm pushing left so the camera turns all the way to the left. Push right, camera goes all the way to the right, and I can do both at the same time. It's only one or the other due to the software. That's a safety thing. Zoom out, zoom in. There we go. And there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.